Discover the 20 best Wolfcraft tools you need to see, featuring innovative and practical solutions for DIY, woodworking, and home projects. From versatile workbenches and precision jigs to durable knives, planers, and transport systems, each tool is designed for accuracy, comfort, and efficiency. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these Wolfcraft tools make tasks easier and more precise. Watch now to explore the full lineup of essential Wolfcraft tools. When a project demands firm holding power and accurate control, this three-piece clamp set from Wolfcraft delivers exactly that. Inside the set, you'll find two Pro Max single-hand clamps, along with a connector that lets you combine them for clamping spans of up to 1,060 millimeters. Built on decades of practical experience, these clamps provide up to 250 kilograms of clamping force, giving you dependable grip without extra effort. The smart pump mechanism allows for smooth, controlled tightening, while a dedicated release lever makes loosening fast and effortless with just one hand. In addition, the large rubber-coated jaws and generous 110mm projection ensure pressure is distributed evenly, helping protect delicate materials. Overall, it's a well-designed and user-friendly tool for strong, hassle-free clamping. Drilling clean, accurate holes can be challenging, especially on angled, overhead, or awkward surfaces, but that's exactly where the Wolfcraft mobile drilling stand shines. It transforms a standard power drill into a stable, guided drilling system suitable for walls, slopes, ceilings, and even curved or shaped materials. A built-in dust extraction connector helps keep your workspace cleaner while improving accuracy. The straight guide makes lining up repeated holes easier, and the additional side handle enhances control while reducing the risk of slipping. For round materials, the V-groove base holds workpieces securely, while the centering aid ensures precise hole placement every time. There's even a small bit magazine built into the handle, capable of holding up to 4 drill bits. Altogether, it's a compact and efficient solution that brings accuracy and convenience to everyday drilling tasks. Installing thick laminates or vinyl flooring can be demanding, but the Wolfcraft VLC 1000 makes the job far more manageable. Designed with professionals in mind, this cutter easily handles laminate, vinyl, and design boards up to 14mm thick and 370mm wide, making it ideal for larger flooring projects. Its standout feature is the gear system with 3-stage power transmission, allowing you to cut tough materials with significantly less effort. The patented return mechanism automatically resets the blade after each cut, improving efficiency. Vinyl planks and tiles up to 6mm thick are also cut cleanly, thanks to the EDP-coated blade that prevents sticking. For safety and stability, the cutter includes serrated bars, a limit stop, and non-slip rubber feet. The wide material support helps with accurate positioning, while the adjustable 90-degree stop can be set in 4 stages to accommodate widths from 210 to 370 millimeters. The cutting gap can also be adjusted across 4 preset levels, depending on board thickness. Best of all, it works without electricity, keeps noise and dust to a minimum, and delivers consistently precise cuts. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a practical solution for anyone working with miter saws where accuracy is essential. It allows you to measure angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and transfer them directly to your saw for precise cutting. To use it, simply place the 2 plastic legs into the corner and align them with the walls. An eccentric locking lever secures the position, and its compact design makes it easy to use even in tight spaces. Once measured, magnetic mads lets you attach the gauge directly to the saw blade, allowing quick alignment with adjustable stops, no guesswork required. The automatic angle bisector ensures accurate miter cuts every time, helping reduce mistakes and speed up your workflow. Measuring outside corners is just as easy, thanks to the telescopic corner calipers, while the fold-out stop lets you mark angles directly onto the workpiece. Overall, it's a reliable and precise tool that simplifies miter cutting. If you're looking for a machine table that does more than just hold your tools, the Wolfcraft MasterCut 2000 is worth a closer look. This compact table combines 4 functions in one. It works as a table saw, jigsaw table, workstation, and, with optional accessories, a milling table. Despite all that functionality, it's surprisingly portable, measuring just 800 by 580 by 200 millimeters and weighing just 17 kilograms. The legs can be quickly plugged in or removed with an eccentric lever, and they even store neatly under the table with Velcro straps. The machine plate has a safety lock and is compatible with many standard machines, so you can switch tools without worrying about fit. Height adjustment ensures a flat transition to your worktop, and the included stoppers, angle stops, and hooks make setup convenient. With a load capacity of up to 120 kilograms, this table can handle heavy workpieces while staying stable and slip-resistant. It's a versatile solution for space-conscious workshops or mobile setups. Let's start with a tool that quietly solves a common finishing problem. The Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer is designed for creating clean 35-degree cutting edges in a single pass, which helps reduce the amount of sealant you need later. Its triple blade setup keeps the cut consistent instead of forcing you to go back and fix uneven edges. This planer works well with both 9.5 and 12.5 millimeter panels, making it practical for everyday panel work. The ergonomic handscape gives you steady control, so the tool stays stable from the first millimeter to the last. That control really matters when accuracy is more important than speed. The blades are interchangeable, so you can replace them when needed instead of changing the whole tool. Made in Europe, this planer reflects Wolfcraft's long experience as a German company that has been developing tools for over 70 years. It's a straightforward option for neat, controlled edge finishing. Now let's talk about a workbench that's built to adapt to different kinds of projects. The Wolfcraft workbench is designed as a stable work table with plenty of clamping and fastening options, which makes it useful for stationary equipment and hands-on tasks. You can secure materials properly instead of constantly readjusting them while you work. One helpful part is its mobile design. When you're done, the bench can be folded down and stored upright, saving space without needing wall mounts. The work surface measures 1035 by 695 millimeters and is made from 22 millimeter MDF, giving it a solid and even base for cutting, assembling, or sanding. With a load capacity of up to 120 kilograms, it handles most home and workshop projects comfortably. It feels stable under pressure, but doesn't take over your workspace. If you need a bench that balances strength, flexibility, and easy storage, this one fits naturally into a small or busy workshop setup. At first glance, these Wolfcraft metal shears seem simple, but they make cutting sheet metal much easier. The micro-serrated blades grip the surface as you cut, so the first cut stays clean instead of sliding across smooth metal. That small detail really helps when accuracy matters. The shears are designed to create an optimal leverage effect, which means you don't need to force your hand, even during longer straight cuts or careful curved cuts. This makes them comfortable for steady, controlled work rather than rushed trimming. The two-component handle is ergonomic and slip-resistant, so your grip feels secure even if your hands are dusty. A one-hand locking mechanism keeps the blades safely closed when not in use, which is convenient between tasks. Overall, these metal shears feel balanced and predictable. They're useful for anyone who wants consistent results without fighting the tool every time they make a cut on small workshop or DIY jobs. This next tool is one of those small helpers you end up reaching for more often than expected. The Wolfcraft Mini Ratchet Clamping Lever is compact, but it's built around a robust ratchet with a patented mechanism that makes unlocking and opening smooth and simple. You don't have to wrestle with it when releasing tension, which is a nice change from basic clamps. With a clamping width of 60 millimeters, it's well suited for light to medium holding tasks where precision matters more than brute force. You can use it in hobby projects, quick workshop setups, or even outdoor situations like camping repairs. It also works well around the house or in the garden when something needs to be held steady for a short time. The size makes it easy to carry or store without taking up space. It's the kind of clamp that quietly earns its place by being useful in many small everyday situations. At pickup, you can tell it's built for controlled cutting rather than quick disposable use. The Wolfcraft Professional Snap-Off Blade Knife features an ergonomic metal casing with a soft grip zone that sits comfortably in your hand. That grip helps keep the knife steady while allowing better power transfer when you're cutting tougher materials. An important detail here is the auto-lock function, operated through a rotary knob. Once set, the blade stays firmly in place, even when you're working under heavy load. This gives you more confidence compared to basic slide lock knives. The metal blade guide adds another layer of stability, keeping the blade aligned instead of flexing during longer cuts. Together, these features make cutting feel more predictable and less tiring. It's a practical knife for workshop tasks where accuracy and control matter more than speed, and it holds up well with regular use. When you're dealing with drywall and need to cut something that isn't a straight line, this tool really helps. The Wolfcraft Keyhole saw is made for small recesses in free-form cuts in gypsum board and similar materials. It features a specially ground drill tip that lets you start the cut with control, so making a precise plunge cut feels manageable instead of awkward. The circumferentially toothed shank is 17 centimeters long and just 5 millimeters wide, which allows you to cut very small radii cleanly without rushing. That narrow diameter is especially useful when working around outlets or irregular shapes. The saw is ideal for drywalls and other board materials where accuracy matters. A two-component handle makes it easy to guide, even during longer cuts. With a working length of 175 millimeters and a total length of 275 millimeters, it stays compact but effective. It's a dependable choice when detail work is part of the job. Cleaning flat surfaces can be more demanding than it looks, and this tool is built with that reality in mind. The Wolfcraft Professional Metal Scraper is made for serious cleaning work on smooth surfaces where control and consistency matter. It features a metal-reinforced plastic casing that feels solid without being heavy. The ergonomic soft grip zone helps your hands stay relaxed, even during longer scraping tasks. A key part of this scraper is the robust metal blade guide, which keeps the blade stable and extends the tool's working life. Blade changes are tool-free, so you can swap blades quickly without interrupting your workflow. It's compatible with all commonly available 38mm scraper blades, which makes replacements easy to find. The overall design focuses on balance and reliability rather than complexity. If you regularly remove paint residue, adhesive, or buildup from smooth surfaces, this scraper offers a straightforward and dependable way to get the job done. This knife is designed for people who want more control over how they work. The Wolfcraft Professional Dual Safety Knife with trapezium blade gives you two setting options, so you can choose between a safety function or an auto-lock mode depending on the task. That flexibility makes it useful for both careful cutting and jobs that need firmer blade positioning. The sturdy metal casing adds durability, while the ergonomic soft grip zone helps the knife sit comfortably in your hand during repeated use. A built-in cord cutter is a practical addition, especially when opening packages or trimming straps without extending the main blade. The knife also includes an integrated blade magazine, which keeps replacement blades stored safely inside the tool. 3 replacement blades are included, so you're ready to work straight away. Overall, it feels well thought out and balanced. It's a solid choice for workshop or everyday cutting where safety and convenience both matter. For everyday fixing jobs around the house, this set covers a lot without feeling complicated. The TacoCraft 5-hand stapler set is made for common household tasks and handicraft applications, so it works well for fabric, thin wood, foil, or light repairs. Each stapler has a metal body, which adds stability and helps the tool stay steady while you work. One useful feature is the adjustable impact power. You can increase or reduce the force depending on the material, instead of relying on guesswork. The hinged magazine makes staple changes quick and straightforward, so you're not stuck fiddling with the tool mid-task. An integrated staple lifter is also built in, which saves time when you need to remove misplaced staples. The set format means you have options ready without switching tools constantly. It's practical, easy to understand, and suited for small projects where clean fastening matters more than speed or heavy-duty power. The Wolfcraft Electro Drill Jig is a real time saver. It's specially designed to make the positioning of installation boxes and basic elements quick and error-free, whether you're working in masonry or hollow walls. The built-in millimeter scale helps you determine the correct installation distance without guesswork, and 71mm and 91mm markings make transferring measurements between sockets, TV, or network outlets straightforward. A 90-degree rotatable spirit level ensures that both horizontal and vertical alignment are precise, so your drill holes and boxes end up perfectly positioned. The jig also works as a template for subsequent installation, letting you drill perpendicular holes quickly with an 08mm drill once the first bore is marked. Illustrated step-by-step instructions make the process intuitive and safe. With its robust metal and plastic construction, this drill jig reliably supports accurate installation, making it a must-have for anyone wanting neat and professional electrical setups. Applying silicone or adhesive doesn't have to be a struggle, and the Wolfcraft MG400 caulking gun proves that. With a powerful feed mechanism delivering up to 180 kilograms of pushing pressure, it easily handles 310 milliliter cartridges of silicone, acrylic, or adhesive, making even long jobs less tiring. The two-component handle has an adjustable width, so it can fit in different hand sizes, which helps reduce fatigue during extended use. A 360-degree rotatable cartridge tray allows you to work at flexible angles, whether in tight corners or awkward positions. The built-in automatic drip stop keeps your work clean by preventing material from oozing when you release the trigger. There's also a handy ladder hook, so the press can be hung for hands-free storage or temporary setup. Overall, the MG400 combines power, comfort, and control, making it a practical choice for any task that involves adhesives, silicone, or acrylic in cartridges. When it comes to drywall projects, getting screws at the right depth is crucial, and this tool makes that much easier. The Wolfcraft screwdriver attachment for interior works comes with a depth stop that lets you adjust the screwing depth, ensuring every screw is inserted perfectly. This is especially helpful when fastening plasterboard, as consistent depth makes later filling and finishing much smoother. A magnetic bit holder keeps the screw in place on the bit, reducing slips or dropped screws, which saves time and frustration. The patented plastic cap has a small window, so you can always see the screw and bit while working, giving you full control over your progress. It uses a 1/4-inch hexagonal socket and is compatible with replaceable bits. The set includes a Phillips 2-bit ready for use. Overall, it's a practical, reliable accessory for anyone who wants neat, accurate screw placement without constant measuring or readjusting. To finish off the list, we have the Wolfcraft Laminate Floor Installation Bundle, a handy kit designed to simplify flooring work. The set includes a universal angle and tri-square, a contour gauge, and a laminate fitter. The angle and tri-square is ideal for marking the final board in a row. Simply align it with the edge, use the stop, and mark a clean 90-degree cut. Its integrated hole rows and measurement scale are also useful for marking square recesses. The contour gauge is perfect for challenging areas, such as around heating pipes. With 91 fine tracer pins, it captures profiles up to 130 mm wide and 30 mm deep. Once locked with the clamping lever, the shape stays fixed for easy transfer. Finally, the laminate fitter helps position the last board against the wall, automatically accounting for wall contours and expansion joints, reducing mistakes and saving time. These are the 20 best Wolfcraft tools that can make any workshop task easier, faster, and more precise. Which one caught your attention the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips, tool guides, and product reviews just like this.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.